Hello Odooers, welcome back to our channel Devintelle. Today we will see how to auto-assign user for the task. So let's see about it, how to work it. You can see here a module Dev auto-assign task. First install this module, so click on this activate button. Now our module is installable. First go to project app and under the configuration menu see here task stages. I want to set for done, that when move in done stage, then auto assign user your selected. Display here this option user to auto assign. First allow this and select here admin. Let's save. Now go to task, create new, add your task name, vehicle related project, select project is the office design, text is a design, deadline 25. Here not any assigning and display here this task in new stage. Now I want to move in progress. Not assign here now. Now move into done. So now here assign this admin because I set in done stage and selected user is a admin and also send email notification. Hello, the task related project has been moved to the stage done. And display here task details, project name, assign is the admin, stage name done, plan start date and date, and display details. So using this our app, you can auto assign user for the task. If you found this helpful, do it like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.